Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install mods into a Euro Truck Simulator 2. So first of all, you want to go to the browser and download the mods. So you can just write down Euro Truck Simulator 2 mods, and then you will see this official website. And of course you can find it somewhere else, like on Nexus Mods. So you open up your mods website, then you will see here all the like trucks, cars, skins, mods, and so on and so forth. After you have chosen which mod you want to download, you're gonna click on it. After that, you will click download the mod. Then you're gonna create a download and then download the file. And let's, for example, put it on our desktop. Now, once you have downloaded your mods, you will see them on your desktop or wherever you put them. Then you want to go ahead and open up your file explorer and then go to Documents. On Documents, you want to find Euro Truck Simulator 2 and you want to find mod folder. Now, if you have never opened a Euro Truck Simulator, you will not see that folder here, and you will also not see mod folder. You just want to go ahead and open up the game for a little while and open up mods option, and after that this folder will appear. Now you want to go ahead and open it. You can also go ahead and just create a folder called mod yourself. Then you want to go ahead and add your mods here to this folder, and now all you need to do is go ahead and play the game. Now after you have opened the game, you will see here mods and 0 active, and here are my mods which I have installed, so you can go ahead and activate them. So just double click on the mod and it will appear right there. You can also do the same for this one, and that's pretty much it. You're gonna confirm the changes, and as you can see, now 2 mods are active. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.